Welcome to Relaxing Houses. My name is Sol, and I will accompany you on this tour through different Japandi-style houses. This trend began to take shape some 150 years ago, when Danish architects and artists began to travel to Japan to draw inspiration from Japanese interiors. This style, which is a trend that has gained popularity in recent years, was born from the fusion of Japanese design and Scandinavian style. Is characterized by the simplicity of minimalism and its value for pieces that expose the beauty of nature. The color palette is neutral and includes shades of cream, soft grey, and white. Combines the palette with tones that convey calm and serenity. If you like the color, you can incorporate it into the palette, a refined combination of desaturated tones, taking care that they are harmoniously integrated into the language. This design decision can provide depth and zoning of spaces. In terms of materials, you can choose to place flooring in light woods or untreated wood. Combine with dark or black pieces, such as walnut, referring to the Japanese style. It uses natural materials and fibers, such as wood, bamboo, stone, linen, and wicker. These materials will create a direct connection with nature. The clay and ceramic pieces will help you to accentuate this intention. Decorate with handmade tapestries and woven rugs. They will add personality and will help you to divide and organize the space. You can place screens on doors and walls, giving a traditional feel to the room. Another option is to install a reinterpretation of the traditional folding screen. This type of decision will contribute to a versatile and modern aesthetic. This style is characterized by the use of low furniture with clean lines and soft curves, referencing Japanese Scandi design. It incorporates smooth, soft-touch fabrics, such as cotton and linen, which will add warmth and comfort. Complete the rooms with 1 or 2 indoor plants. And remember, design is minimalist, and simplicity should be emphasized in every choice. Wooden furniture is the stars of this style. The lighter tones illuminate the spaces and transmit warmth. Select pieces that stand out for their simple lines. You can choose designs in curved or straight lines. The important thing is that each element have a purpose and contribute to a minimalist design. The furniture most used in this style is those that reflect the intention of accentuating the beauty of nature. Standing out for its craftsmanship and designs in natural fibers, contributing to a balanced combination between Japanese design and Scandinavian style. Finally, place large lamps in natural materials, such as ceramics, wicker, and rice paper. These pieces will give hierarchy and elegance to the environment. In your kitchen, you can place cabinets with a refined design, which offer storage without sacrificing aesthetics. Combine white tones and light woods to apply them to furniture, cupboards, and floors. Other common coatings in Japandi-style kitchens are rough surfaces, natural stones, and handmade ceramics. As for lighting, you can use a general light throughout the kitchen. It will help you achieve uniform and constant light. Place LED strips to illuminate specific work areas. These are a great lighting resource and can be installed in any space in the kitchen, incorporating clean and modern designs. Respect the minimalist concept, less is more, and keep surfaces clear and clean. Remember, you can decorate the environment with elements made of natural materials, giving each space a touch of distinction. Provide the references that you like the most and apply them so that their lines and designs evoke the style, adding your personality to the space. Dress your bedroom in textiles in neutral tones to create warm and comfortable environments. It incorporates the base palette and includes elements such as ceramic vases and carpets and fabrics in organic materials to complement the environment. Opt for light and smooth curtains and in neutral colors. Fabrics such as linen allow light to enter and diffuse into the room. Choose lamps that provide soft lighting and a pleasant aesthetic. If you want a modern imprint, use materials forming simple and geometric weaves. Palette colors can gain saturation and generate a harmonious contrast with the rest of the space. Calm, neutral and earthy tones prevail in these spaces, reflecting tranquility and simple elegance in the work areas. It is important to select the right pieces. Look for a simple combination, minimalist with little ornament and a fine finish. The details in the carpentry and the artisanal work in the materials evoke the perfect integration with nature. Place your desk ideally near a window. Natural lighting will add warmth to the space. Place a minimalist desk lamp which takes up little space and allows you to keep the desk clear. If you want to decorate your desk, select one or two simple pieces in natural materials. In the bathroom, you can implement the main features of minimalism. Keep the space tidy and clear. Opt for functional accessories and select furniture with simple lines. You can opt for a toilet in wood and light materials, or be inspired by the warmth of natural and earthy materials. Uses general lighting and complements with sconces and LED strips. You can also use indirect lighting behind the mirrors. The important thing is to make a good distribution of the lights that make up the bathroom, to create an atmosphere of relaxation and serenity. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And remember that you can apply these tips to any space in your home. Subscribe to follow all the episodes and learn about the different styles of interior design.